going to do something a little different. I'm going to make some Haystacks. I'm sure you have heard of them. If not, well, guess what? We're going to learn how to do it together. I've made these in the past, but what I'm going to do is I am going to melt these butterscotch morsels in this bowl in the microwave. Oh, I've never done it before like this. Normally I do it the hard way and use the double boiler method. My son absolutely loved these, and we're going over to his house today to have like a little barbecue get together. So I'm going to make, he loves Haystacks, so I'm going to make him some Haystacks, but you'll need the butterscotch morsels and the little chowmein noodles. That's basically it. That's all you're going to use with it. So I'm going to make these and see how they turn out in the microwave. So stay tuned. Let's see how it goes. I put it on 2 minutes. Let's hope it doesn't work. I'm going to get some parchment paper. This is just so they don't stick. I'm not sure how many that we'll make, but we're going to see how this turns out. Let's see. Maybe I should turn it this way. There we go. It won't take long to make them, right? I hope not. I have onion everywhere. I'm doing like 50 things at one time. I really love this stuff. Let's see how it turns out. Oh, not bad. Okay. Looks pretty good. Can you guys see? Maybe this is a new trick. I bought 2 packages. Okay, I'm going to stick it back in the microwave just, I don't know, maybe I shouldn't. What do you guys think? Leave it alone? My brain's telling me leave it alone. We're going to leave it alone. I need some scissors. Oh, y'all have these straws. They're so aggravating. You just stick to everything. Okay. Let's add these in. I'm not sure that I need the whole bag. These are really good on salads. My grandkids love to eat them plain. So do the dogs. Okay, not too bad. Stir, stir, stir. Let's see. Got some, add it all. Just going to put it all in there. Some will be a little butterscotchier than others. Look, I'm just tearing up my parchment paper. Okay, let's get on to this. Let me grab a spoon. I'm sure this isn't going to work. Yeah. There we go. I'm sure that's too big, but he'll enjoy it that way. I think I need a bigger piece of parchment paper. What do you guys think? Considering what's on the counter and everything else. Let's see. Separate that. We'll add that to that. Voila. There we go. I'm sure Caitlin will come in here shortly and kick and prod at them. So there won't be that many whenever we leave. Alright, that's it of that. I was going to make some homemade cookies, but I don't think I will. Tastes good. Just as if you were to do it in a double broiler. So, there you go. I'm going to give these to the dogs. They're already starting to get a little stiff. Okay. On to the baked beans.